Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add payment method on Ticketmaster. So this is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you recently purchased tickets and you want to go ahead and change your payment method compared to the one that you used to use before. Either way guys, this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved, but the first thing that we're going to do is click on our Ticketmaster app here and then go ahead and make sure that you're logged in. So here you have a series of buttons, okay? You have a bunch of buttons on the bottom hand side. You want to click on My Account, and then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says Preferences, and then click on Saved Payment Methods. So from this option here, you're going to be able to add a credit card or debit card as your payment method. So go ahead and click on Add a New Card, and then from here, you just input your name, card, expiration date, security code, and country code. Now, you also have this checkbox here where you can actually set this payment method as your primary card. But once you go ahead and click on Add New Card, that right there is going to be the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add a payment method to Ticketmaster. So if you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. But thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.